Hey guys, I'm filming this video today because I've had a couple of questions about what this play worksheet is. And the whole reason I have this play worksheet in your Canvas is not to do the worksheet, but to show you how we're going to do worksheets this year without printing out papers, especially if you're remote. So without printing out the papers and how you're going to be able to submit them to me and be able to write on the worksheet itself, okay? So all I've done so far, I'm in my Canvas and I went and I clicked on the assignment called Play Worksheet. And then there's two ways. You can either download the document by clicking the link, or I can download the document by clicking this pop-out arrow. So I'm going to click on the link. You could do either one. It doesn't matter. So I've gotten this document downloaded. And so if you went to your folders and you went to your downloads, so that worksheet is called Chapter 6 Questions. So here it is as Chapter 6 Questions. But maybe a way to make your life easier is if you were on your desktop and you made yourself like a new folder and called that folder Chemistry, because we're going to be doing a couple of worksheets this year. So if I pulled it back up and I go and click this little print button, but I don't want to print, I want to save it as a PDF. So if you're at home and you have printer options, go and save it as a PDF. Okay, so I'm going to click save. I want to go to my desktop and I want to save it in my new folder that I just named Chemistry. So now all of my chemistry worksheets will be in that chemistry folder. So all we've done so far is that we've downloaded the worksheet and we've saved it on a file on our computer. That's all we've done so far. So now we're going to go, and I've got to go put myself in student view, because if I'm not in student view, then I can't pretend to submit an assignment like you do. So let me put student view. And now I'm going to go back to that play worksheet and act like I'm going to submit that worksheet. Okay. So I'm going to go click resubmit because I've done this before in class. I'm going to choose a file. I need to choose my file that I had just saved. So go find my chemistry folder, my chapter 6 questions, and I want to submit my assignment. So all you've done right now is you have downloaded a worksheet, saved the worksheet, and submitted a blank worksheet. Cool? So now in your Canvas, it looks like this. You got the confetti. That was fun. Now over here on the right, it says submission details. When you click on submission details, it brings you to another screen where you can click view feedback. On this screen, I'm going to click these double arrows to make it bigger. Now when I have it in this view, up here at the right hand, I can put a location tab. Say, for example, I said I want you to locate this word temperature. I don't know why, but I did. It left that locator, and you can say, here is the word temperature. Temperature. There we go, spelling. Here you can highlight. I want you to highlight this word pressure. So it's highlighted. You can add text. I want you to add your name. Cool. You could slash out your text if you wanted to. Don't know how. Somehow. There it goes. Could slash through text. You can write on it. We'll see if it works well on my laptop. I don't know. No, I'm having to use my mouse. Ooh. So that's not as pretty, but if you had it on like an iPad or something. I'm having to use my mouse. Ooh, that was ugly. Or this is a tool where you could like circle something. If I said circle a nucleus or circle this word external for some reason. And click. All right. So now we've done this. All you've got to do now is get this little again, exit out of it. You didn't have to save. You didn't have to do anything. So if I leave student view, I'll go show you what I can see on my end. So I've got to go back to the assignment, the play worksheet. And in my view now, I can go see Speed Grader. I'm ready to grade these worksheets. Okay, so, well, here's Olivia Keys, but I want to go find my test student. I think it's up at the beginning. Am I going backwards? Yeah, it's counting down. Okay. I'm getting there. Test student. There I am. So see, that's what I had just done. So all you have to do is download the worksheet, submit a blank worksheet, and then you're able to edit it in Canvas. And then you don't have to click save or anything, and then I can see it. So now on my end, I can use the same tools. And say if I went in with like a different color, right here said, nope, wrong answer, then you could see when you pull it back up on your end, you could see that I added that. Or I could put a little thing here and say, hey, I like your name. Things like that, for example. So this is the whole reason why I've had that play worksheet on Canvas, is just so that those students that I've had in class this past week, that they could see the way that we were going to submit worksheets. And if this is still confusing, feel free to send me an email and I'll walk you through it again. I'm going to post this video to Canvas so you can watch it again if you need help. But this is how we're going to do worksheets this year, so I don't have to print out and hand papers to you physically. Okay? So I hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, send me an email if you need help. See you later.